here we are once again with my 16-inch oscillating fan from Galaxy. Last time I made a video about this fan, it needed a new speed selector switch. The buttons didn't want to stay down, and the switch plate was broken because it was so compacted with animal hair. This fan, I believe, came from a local animal shelter, and it was donated to a thrift store, and I found it at the thrift store for $2. So it cost me $2 plus spent another $5 on another 16-inch Galaxy fan at Goodwill, so I could pull the switch out of that one and use on this one, and it was a success. Now I have a fully functional, fully operational, absolutely beautiful 16-inch Galaxy from the late 70s, I'm pretty sure. The only difference between the two switches, I was a little bit worried that they weren't going to be compatible, and they were. The only difference was the ground wire location was a little different. Other than that, it was exactly the same, and I used the same power cord. I just had to splice the wires, make it work. But yeah, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. So I guess I'll show off my fancy new switches now that they work. We'll start on high. All right, so that's my now fully functional 16-inch oscillating fan by Lasco Galaxy. Thank you for watching.